These videos are presented for educational purposes, intended to highlight the potential consequences of unsafe driving practice. They are not intended to sensationalize or glorify accidents, but rather to promote awareness and responsible behavior on the road. Remember that safety on the road is of paramount importance. Obey traffic laws, use seatbelts, avoid distractions, and drive responsibly.
A reckless driver was crossing lanes blindly and caused an accident. Such a simple but crucial mistake. A man was driving on high speed and lost control due to rainy weather. He was lucky there wasn't much traffic, so he didn't hit anybody. Crazy truck crashed the road barrier and two parked cars on the side of the road. Luckily, there was nobody inside the cars, and the truck driver wasn't hurt as well. There was a threat of collision, but motorcyclist managed to slow down. He fell but didn't get any injuries. We can only guess what this man felt at that moment. A man was driving against the rules and was punished falling into the ditch. A man was getting out of his truck and fell straight into the lane. Fortunately, the driver showed great reaction and avoided running over a lying man, so he wasn't hurt. It was a try of road robbery, but these idiots got nothing. Great driver's reaction helped to avoid a collision, but it didn't save him from damaging someone's lawn.
Later, she found Cecilia at a friend's house, and Miss Eaton called Pam and was like, "Just so you know, we're going to the police station." But Pam yelled at Mrs.
A driver failed to check his blind spot and hit a white pickup. Or maybe he did it on purpose. What do you think?
I have a right to know everything.
This video is from Canada. A man had to turn in the opposite lane because of an attentive driver. Fortunately, he managed to avoid an accident on the opposite lane as well.
Holy motherfucker, man. Jesus fuck. I could have hit him right there. I'm letting too much trouble do that to me.
A SUV driver hit the brakes, but it didn't save him from rear-end collision with the bus in front. This what may happen if you face angry pedestrian and don't let him pass. There was inappropriate acceleration before braking, and as a result, the driver didn't manage to stop. Switch south, drivers, please. I believe the heart attack was too close.
Hey, I was that motherfucker can't hit us. I swear to God. I didn't have no choice. They just turned around, I smacked the shit out that motherfucker, man. That was about, hey, I ain't lying. I wish I had seen the sign on that fucking door. No, hey, that motherfucker, go out quick.
An impatient idiot nearly caused a terrible head-on collision because of his insane overtaking. Small reminder for everyone, don't bury your head in your phone. Whatever he wanted to do, he did it awfully, and now he is paying for the damage. A camera faced two reckless drivers turning left. They both were very close to the accident. It's a miracle there was no contact.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for not to miss new videos on our channel. See you soon, friends.